Management support system. So when the information system focuses on providing the information and the support for effective decision making by the managers. So they are called as a management support system. See, management support system means what? The when the information system focuses on providing the information and support for effective decision making by the managers, they are called as a management support system. So it is very complex task. Several major types of a information system. So you can see here there are types of a information system. MIS, Management Information System. MIS provides the information in the form of reports to the managers, okay, and the business professional. So it helps the manager in analyzing a situation and taking a right decision. So that is the use of information management information system. So MIS examines the people, process and the technology in an organizational context. For example, the sales manager use their computer to receive instant displays about the sales result of their product, okay, and then access their corporate intranet for daily sales analysis report. So daily sales analysis reports that evaluate the sales made by the each salesperson. So here the manager have rights to analyze the each salesman. Okay, so whatever the salespersons are there, they can analyze them or analyze their work, what they did in a day. So that is to be analyzed. And on that analysis, they can take a decision. So next is decision support system. Give direct support to the managers during the decision making process. So for example, and if there is an advertising manager may use decision support system to perform an analysis and analysis as a part of decision, which is to determine how to spend advertising budget. So a production manager may use decision support system to make a how much product to manufacture based on expected sales and the availability of a raw material. So they can take a decision through available information. So managers can take a decision, they can come at one point and they can take a decision. Okay. So that is nothing but a decision support system. Executive information system. So it provides a critical information from a wide variety of internal and external sources to executives and the managers. So it provides critical information from internal and external sources to the executives and the managers. For example, there are top executives, they can instantly view the competitor displays that highlights the key areas of organizational and competitive performances. So that is nothing but a executive information system. So all these are the types of information system. Specialized processing system also contains what processing system? So it is used for processing some type of a operations. Both the specialized processing system that is used in a operational support system and management support system, because they are used for analyzing the data, for taking the raw data and analyzing the data. Okay. So there are some advantages. Here we have seen the examples of an Indian Railway reservation system or a ATM machine, that means a transaction processing system. Some of the online data that is going to be recorded while we are processing this type of a information, while in people they are searching for the information. So the data is to be captured. Management information system, that we have seen the managing director and the chief executive at highest level of the organization, which is who is responsible to take the decisions. Okay, so that is with the management information system, which helps the management sense of organization by sensing and reviewing all the activities as well as take the decisions regarding future activities. Okay, decision making, that is the salesperson. We have seen the example that a salesperson may have to fix the route to travel to meet the several clients during the day, how many are pending and how many are attending. So to observe that, this decision making is used. So nurse attending patients in a hospital ward. This how many patients attended by the nurse, it is can be observed with the help of, and for taking the decisions about the nurse, this type of observations are important in the hospital. So this type of a decision making is to be done in a MIS. Then there are different types of a operational decisions, tactical decisions, operational decisions. That means traveling a salesman problem, control and planning, strategic decisions. So that is a set of decisions made by the top of the managers. That means these are long term in a scope, have long horizon of a years. That means strategies decisions, they are related to the vision and the mission of the organization. So the decisions determine how organization will realize what it was created for originally. Okay, so the information system and the management strategy, that this we will see information system and the management strategy. So which are the strategies used by the information system? The competitive environment of the business. So all business exists in a competitive environment. So competitive environment of the automobile industry. Here you can see the example, automobile industry firm have to compete with each other and maintain the relationships with their vendors and the partners. So there are many firms which are making the car, such as the Tata Motors, Maruti Suzuki, and the Hyundai. They are making the cars. So the which type of a strategy they need? So partnering for the mutual benefits. So wherever the partners, where the relations is to be built, which should be for the mutual benefits. So it is individual firms have to partner with the other for a variety of reasons. So there are many number of reasons how they could depend on their partners. So the manufacturing firm, here with example we'll see, the manufacturing firm may need to partner with the electricity utility that would fulfill its energy requirements. That means one organization, one industry that is depending on another for the electricity utility and will fulfill its energy requirements. So the manufacturer firm hands over its responsibility of maintaining the steady electricity supply to the utility. Bargaining power of suppliers, that is also important, because the competitive position of commercial firms that enables it to serve the customers and be successful in a market is determined by the set of the forces. So for many firms, the best of competitive strategy is to partner with many vendors to maintain a strong bargaining power relationship. So whenever it is the partnership contains the bargaining power powerful, at that time the relationship built can beneficial to the manufacturer company. So the information system have the ability to reduce the transaction costs and help form partnership that enables the firm to improve their bargaining power with the vendors. Barriers to the entry, whenever any new players they are competing, they are coming into the business world, then the firm have to erect the barriers to the entry of the new competition. So entry barriers, to stop them, So the barriers is creating strong link with the buyers based on the long-term contracts or other means. So based on a long-term contract, business need to give the entry barriers to the competitors for the competitors by allowing formation of the partnership. Okay, in detail we'll see in the next lecture.